All right, I'm Cynthia, and we're about to drop into stage 2, and it's section 3 of CCDH. Party on! Gosh. This log totally rolls. Sharp turn. Woo! Another sharp turn. Woohoo! It's a fun trail. Sharp turn here. You put a foot out if you want. Another sharp turn. Woohoo! Pedal, 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 pedal. Keep the momentum. This trail never stops. It's a lot of fun. A lot of trail. Another sharp turn. Followed by another one. No shame in dabbing a little. One more. All right. One more. Woohoo! Steep section here. Woohoo! All right, there's a turn option there. Ignore that. Nobody knows why it's there. The right-hand line is totally fine. It's a blue, even though it says black. Ignore that sign back there. All right. Nothing to it. All right. Woohoo! All right, we've got a pedally section here. Come in hot if you can and get some momentum up here. Shift down if you have to. Pedal, pedal, pedal. All right. This is so fun. Everything rolls on this trail. Forest changes right here. I love this part. Okay, so we're getting close to the rock roll. We're gonna come upon it, and once you see the sign, you gotta decide if you're gonna take the easier line to the left. You see the sign here. I like to go nice and slow, get a good look at it. Woo-hoo! Get you to the same place. And we're exiting stage 2. Woo!